This video is going to show you how to insert an image in your Wix page. You do have a requirement to add images to each of your pages, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. If you go into Google first, and what I did was I went into Google and I wanted to find images that pertain to the topic of my website. And so I typed in the word and I did an image search and I got a ton of results. And what you can do is look for a picture that you like, and I'm just going to use this one as an example. I'm going to click on it, bring it up by itself, and then I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to save this image as. And you're going to save this to your drive. Now, what I did, because I do use a lot of images, is I created a folder to collect all of my images. And I put that in my Google Drive. See if I can find it. And I put it in a folder called Images. And I found mine this way. You may see your folder here if you want to make a folder for it, whatever the case is, wherever you want to save your images. But I went ahead and made a folder, and I recommend that. And it will give you a default title, basically. And what you can do is just click on that title that they give you, and I might put something that's a little bit more recognizable to me. So I'm just going to put globe and save. And that's going to add that to your drive. Now I'm going to go into Wix, and if you recall earlier, in one of my other videos, I showed you how to add stuff. And when you click on this add button, it houses all of the options that you have when you want to add some kind of object to your web page. And in this blue menu right here, you'll see that. Now, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image. So I'm going to click on image. And you're going to upload that image to your Wix account. You'll click on this little button to upload images. And it's going to open up your drive, okay? And you can go in and find that. And mine just dropped it here at the top, so I'm going to double click on that icon. And it's going to upload, or it's going to take it from Drive and put it into the program I'm currently in. And I'm going to click on Done. I had done this before just to kind of check it out, so it's the same picture. So what you're going to do now is you're just going to double click on that picture, and it's going to drop it into your page. And you can resize the picture if you want, whatever the case is. Now, you are required to have images in your pages, and you'll refer to the lesson document for the requirements. But if you add an image to your website, you need to give credit to the website from where you borrowed it. And what I always tell students to do is at the bottom of your page, wherever that is, you want to add some kind of section where you give credit to your image owners. Now, we can't find them name, you can't find their name, but we can actually find the web page that it came from. So that's what I suggest. We're going to add a text box. And I'm just going to do a small paragraph, nothing big. I'm going to move that down to the bottom of my web page. I want it to be the very last thing on my web page, so you may have a lot more to move down. And we're going to edit the text. And we're just going to type in something like images borrowed, because we don't want to be accused of being a pirate. This is a bad type of pirate. So what I'll do is where I got that, I'll go back to that website where I found my picture, and I'm going to right click on it. And you're just going to copy the image address or the image link. Click on your text box. And underneath that, I'm just going to paste that web address. Now, some web addresses are very, very long. Some of them aren't long at all. But anyway, so I'm going to start adding the web addresses for the pictures that I borrowed. And you will be graded. This is a requirement that you do give credit to your pictures. Again, if I add another picture. I can click, maybe hit enter and give myself a new line, and then paste my next web address. Okay. You must do that if you use pictures in your projects, and that's how you add images and give credit to your images for your Wix page.